hit me.
Baby, can you stop?
I stop, but I just can't play shit.
Stop. Don't let it disturb you.
It's disturbing me.
So what do you want to do now is disturbing you?
I just
Do you want to go and hit her now?
No, I just don't want to ever just look at her in his house.
You know you have competition in this house, so this is just second week, so just relax.
I'm relaxed.
She'll be fine whatever she is and whatever she's doing.
Well, I hope not, because she hits me with the force. I'm triggered as hell.
Hey. Look at me. You know you're not pretty than her, right?
It's not about that.
No, you are.
It's not about that.
I know, I'm trying to tell
That's
you.
not what the thing is about. It's not about that. It's just like basic human rights. I told you, look at what I'm saying. Gigi likes Nigerian men. Very Nigerian representing men. Because I feel like Britain and Nigeria, I can't say that they're too far away from each other in terms of attributes. What was I saying?
No. Sometimes you just seem not to listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
No, don't worry, it's gone already. Are you really gonna let that girl
I'm not letting it bother me. I'm just venting in the moment. Okay. 2 minutes later, I wouldn't care. I haven't cared since. I'm just telling you how I feel about it right now. Simple.
But do you think they didn't really enemies you have because of you?
No, I don't expect her to. But I'm just saying it's stupid that I wouldn't be smiling with somebody that's my friend. Simple.
Yeah, right. That's true.
But I'm also realistic and I know that I'm not expecting her because she's irrelevant at the end of the day. Whether she's friends with her or not, it doesn't mean anything to me.
Yeah. 1 sec. No, it's fine. It's fine, don't worry.